Feeling overwhelmed by stress. It feels like a constant weight, doesn't it? But what if I told you that you have the power to lift that weight naturally and effectively? Today, we're diving into 10 simple, yet incredibly powerful techniques to reclaim your calm and combat stress. These aren't just quick fixes, they're sustainable habits that can transform your relationship with stress for good. So, take a deep breath and let's get started. First up, let's talk about mindfulness. This isn't about emptying your mind, it's about being fully present in the moment. When you're stressed, your thoughts are often racing about the past or worrying about the future. Mindfulness brings you back to the now. You can start by simply paying attention to your senses. What do you see, hear, or feel right now? Try mindful breathing. Just focus on the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. Or engage in mindful movement like yoga or Tai Chi. Even everyday activities like washing dishes can become a mindful practice if you focus completely on the sensations. The goal is to anchor yourself in the present, which dramatically reduces the power stress has over you. Technique number 2 is deep breathing. It's the fastest way to signal to your nervous system that it is time to calm down. When you're stressed, your breathing becomes shallow and rapid. By intentionally slowing it down, you reverse that stress response. Let's try one right now, the 4 to 7 to 8 technique. Breathe in through your nose for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 7, and then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. Do this 3 times. Feel that? That's your body's relaxation response kicking in. Another great one is box breathing. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. It's perfect for regaining focus and calming anxiety. Regular practice builds your resilience, making it easier to handle future stresses. Number 3 is a game changer. Regular physical activity. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which are natural mood elevators. At the same time, it reduces your body's stress hormones like cortisol. You don't have to run a marathon. A brisk walk, a dance session in your living room, or a bike ride can make a huge difference. Aerobic activities are particularly effective. Plus, exercise provides a healthy distraction. It forces you to focus on your body's movement, pulling you away from the loop of stressful thoughts. Over time, regular physical activity helps regulate your stress response, making you more emotionally resilient. Moving on to number 4, maintaining a balanced diet. What you eat directly impacts your brain and your mood. Stress can deplete your body of essential nutrients, so it's crucial to refuel with the right foods. Think of it as arming your body for battle. Incorporate antioxidant-rich foods like berries to combat oxidative stress. Leafy greens like spinach are packed with magnesium, which helps relax the nervous system. Fatty fish like salmon provide omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for mental health. And a handful of almonds gives you healthy fats and more magnesium. A colorful, varied diet doesn't just support your physical health, it's a powerful tool for your mental well-being. Technique number 5 is progressive muscle relaxation. This involves tensing and then relaxing different muscle groups throughout your body. Stress often causes us to hold tension without even realizing it. This practice helps you become aware of that tension and consciously let it go. Start with your toes, tensing them for 5 seconds, then releasing. Move up to your calves, your thighs, your abdomen, and so on, all the way to the muscles in your face. Combining this with deep breathing enhances the effect, creating a profound sense of calm. It's especially helpful before bed to improve sleep quality. Number 6 is all about effective time management. A major source of stress is feeling like you have too much to do and not enough time. The key is to work smarter, not harder. Start by setting clear priorities. What are the most important tasks you need to accomplish? Focus on those first. Use techniques like time blocking, where you dedicate specific chunks of time to specific tasks. This prevents multitasking, which is often less efficient and more stressful. Another great tool is the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Organizing your day gives you a sense of control, which is the direct antidote to the feeling of being overwhelmed. Our 7th technique is beautifully simple. Spend time in nature. There's a reason a walk in the park or a hike in the woods feels so restorative. Nature has a profound calming effect on our minds. It reduces anxiety, boosts your mood, and even improves your focus. The fresh air, the green scenery, the sounds of birds, it all works together to lower your stress levels. It also encourages physical activity and can be a great way to connect with others or simply enjoy some quiet time alone. So make it a point to get outside, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Your mind will thank you. Technique number 8 is practicing gratitude. This is about intentionally shifting your focus from what's going wrong to what's going right. Stress often narrows our perspective, making problems seem bigger than they are. Gratitude broadens that perspective. At the end of each day, take a moment to write down 3 things you're thankful for, no matter how small. Maybe it was a good cup of coffee, a kind word from a friend, or the sun shining. This simple act rewires your brain to look for the positive. Over time, a gratitude practice can significantly enhance your mental well-being, improve sleep, and build incredible resilience against life's challenges. Number 9 is to seek social support. Don't try to carry the weight of your stress alone. Humans are social creatures, and connection is a powerful buffer against stress. Talking about your feelings with a trusted friend or family member can be incredibly cathartic. It validates your experience and reminds you that you're not alone. Sometimes, just having someone listen without judgment is enough. Engage in group activities that bring you joy and practice active listening to support others in return. Building and maintaining these supportive networks creates a safety net for those tough times. Finally, technique number 10. Ensure adequate sleep. Sleep is not a luxury. It is fundamental to your ability to handle stress. When you're sleep deprived, your emotional regulation is compromised, making you more reactive and irritable. To improve your sleep, establish a consistent routine. Go to bed and wake up around the same time each day, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime ritual, like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or listening to calm music. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. And if worries are keeping you up, try writing them down in a journal before bed to get them out of your head. Prioritizing sleep is one of the most powerful things you can do for your mental and physical resilience. So there you have it, 10 simple, natural, and powerful ways to combat stress. Remember, it's not about eliminating stress completely, but about managing it effectively. Start by picking 1 or 2 of these techniques that resonate with you and incorporate them into your daily life. Be patient and consistent, and you'll build a stronger, calmer, and more resilient you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on living a healthier, happier life. We'd love to hear which technique you're going to try first in the comments below. Take care, and see you in the next video.